Welcome. If you want to create folders or remove folders to or from your home screen and iPad 2021, and first you have to click and hold one of the icons, for example books. I'm going to create folder, so drag this icon for another one, and then you can add here easily new icons. If you want to confirm, you have to tap down in the right upper corner and click here to enter, and here we have our folder. If you want to rename, you have to click and hold and then tap to rename. Tap apps, click right here to confirm, then click outside. You can move also this folder between screens like any other icon. Take a look, for example here, and then click done to confirm. If you want to remove folder, click hold and then tap to remove, confirm, and then you will find all of these apps in this app library menu. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.